Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Hey YouTube, we're back with another exciting video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my cosmetic brushes, my powder brushes, and the brushes that you use. What I'll be using is a cup of warm water. This is rather hot, but a cup of warm water, my apple cider vinegar. You don't have to use this, guys. If you don't have it, you can use normal vinegar, and of course my dish soap. Okay guys, the first thing I'll be doing is adding my soap. Oh, that's enough. And then I'll be adding my vinegar. Afterwards, the water is set, guys. I'm just going to be placing my brushes inside for them to soak. As you can see, guys, you're on a Ziploc bag. When they're dirty, I put them in here. So I'm just going to be placing them inside. As you can see, how the water changes. Wow, I haven't washed these in years. So just going to place them inside. Afterwards, I'm just going to be moving them around to just look at this. As you can see how the water changed, guys. Just going to move them around. You can't see that they just come out of this, but trust me, these little babies, I've never seen these tips for a long time. Wow, move them around, guys. Especially this, I've never seen this white from the day I bought it. I got it, and you can see the dirt is inside. So just gonna let this sit some time, guys, and afterwards I'm going to be showing you guys the results. Okay guys, so it has been more than an hour. The water is still warm, so I'm just going to be pouring out this in the sink to see. Okay, so I'm going to be rinsing them, guys. Wow, they even gain back their softness. So you guys can see. Wow. I suppose they smell fresh too, guys. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so guys, I'll be drying them off with paper towel. That's how I clean my brushes. So you guys can see they're looking lovely. Oh, you see the brown water there, see? Okay, and you should just let them air dry, guys. No heat, because you don't want to ruin them. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips.